This is a sincere request to all the parents, please read. During holidays, instead of taking kids to movies, shopping, etc., please try to do the following activities. 1. Go to the nearest bank and show them the functioning of the banks, how ATMs work and what is the benefit of it. 2. Take time out and visit orphanage, home for the aged and explain to them about those places. 3. Take them to the rivers, seas, oceans and teach them how to swim. 4. Give them saplings and ask them to plant them and water them and see them grow. Encourage them by saying that they will be presented with gifts for their good deeds. 5. Perform blood donations in front of them and explain to them the need for it. Be a hero, role model, for them. 6. Take them to government hospitals and show them the difficulties the patients are going through. Tell them how difficult it is to go through this process of pain if you are met with an accident. 7. Take them to your hometown, village and let them spend time with their grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins. Let them experience the affection and good times of being with the family. Show them what is agriculture, farming and the difficulties a farmer goes through in providing the food that we are eating and that we should not waste food. 8. Take them to the nearby police station, court, jail. Explain them the punishments rendered to the inmates because of their wrongdoings. This will make them aware of the bad things they should be away from. 9. Make them sit by you and ask them what their needs are and satisfy some of the useful ones and explain them which ones are essential and which ones are not. Give them a feeling that you are there for them. 10. Take them to all the places of worship without restricting to any single place. Take them to temples, mosques, gurudwara, church etc. Based on how much you know of each place, explain it to them. Finally, they should understand. Being happy is more important than being successful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Be special. Be special. Be special. Be special.